Take the phone case, put it in a pan and then pour water over it. Cell phone case manufacturers hide this from you. If you have a cell phone case and want to replace it, but don't want to spend money, then this tip is especially for you. After seeing this, you will never spend money buying a cell phone case again. For this, take a pan that fits the entire case inside, and then pour water over it until the entire case is covered. Next, we're going to need crepe paper. It's easy to find at stationery stores and it's also very cheap. Here in my town, I paid only $1 and I chose this purple color. But the color, it's totally up to you because the variety of colors is huge. With the help of scissors, cut the crepe paper just like I'm doing in the video. And you don't need to use all the paper, just a small piece is enough. Once that's done, just turn on the heat and let it boil for about 5 minutes. After the time has passed, you can turn off the heat. Now what we're going to need is the juice of a lime. You can squeeze it directly into the pan. The acidic properties of the lime is going to help fix the ink on the case even more, thus prolonging its lifespan. After squeezing the lime, just cover and let it sit for a few more minutes. And guys, the result of this will be amazing, especially if your case is already old and yellowed. After the time has passed, just remove the lid. And very carefully remove the case from the pan. Do this with the help of an object so you don't burn yourself. And look, the result is amazing. Now just wash and then dry it. And see how I'm rubbing the paper to show that the color doesn't come off. You can use it, no worries. The color is well fixed and won't come off any easy. And that's why I said that cell phone case manufacturers hide this from you. Because with just $1, you can customize your case and make it the color you want. Now let me know how much does a case like this cost in your city. Here, you won't find it for less than $10. And now that you've learned this, never again spend your money buying a new case. Look how nice it looks on the phone, and the color is very intense. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it and are eager to try new colors and designs for your phone case. The creativity knows no bounds. You can do it for yourself, to give someone else as a gift, and even for your kids. I'm sure children will love this case color idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.